So our next topic is traffic analysis through Netstat. Basically, Netstat is the Windows utility, which is inbuilt function of Windows that you don't need to get any of the tool from outside. You can see the details there, that what are the connection has been made by what exe, what all are the network connection is made by that particular machine or that network adapter or that process, or what are the routing tables, what the port they have, what is the foreign address of that. So these kind of details you can get from the netstats. So let's try some of the netstat commands and see that how my machine is making connections and to analyze that thing. So let's close my browser first and then I'll show you. So you just, what you need to do is you need to open a CMD and then you need to open it through administrator. Click yes. So over here I'll see if I could make it some more bigger for your, yeah, I think I could, we could see now. So what you need to put is like you need to put like netstat hyphen a and o. That is a command to see the network connection, like all network connections. If I put enter over here, so I'll get some of the details of like what all connections made by this machine. So I have put enter and then you can see. So now there are no connections made by this machine. These are the PID and the process ID. You can get that what process ID is sending what request. So in malware case, you can get few of the details from here. So now I am going to open our Chrome. So let's start doing Google and then we'll see that if we have got any of the connection change. Over here now no connection is established. So I hit enter and then over here on a CMD I'll run this command again. So over here you can see that now we got a connection, some few of the connections we got. Like if you check these IP, this would definitely be the Google IP. And what process ID is making this is like 2524. So if you check this process ID, it would be Google Chrome only. So this is how you can get the details. And if you want to save it on a txt format, that the network connection detail, you need to put and hyphen hyphen and then network connection, what are the name you want to give to that particular txt. If you want to export this information basically into the txt information, so you can use that two arrow and that the name with the txt extension. So if you put, you hit enter, so we'll get network details. So it will be created over on this path. So if you go through and it is on a system 32 on Windows system 32. Let's see if we have this created over there. The name we have given is netconnections.txt. So let's type n netconnections.exe. net, yeah, over here we have this file. If you open it, so you can get the same details what we have over here. So this is how you can export the netted utility version. So you can get the details that what connection is being made by your machine. And if you really want to know that what exe is making that connection, so you have to put the command other than ano, you have to put like bno. If you put bno, so you'll be able to see that what exe is making these connection. Like our Chrome was making these connection na? So let's refresh it once and then hit enter. So now you can see it is clearly over here, like the Chrome is making this connection, the Chrome is making this connection. So these are the connection which is made by Chrome only. So you can get, if you have a malware over here, so you can see that that particular exe is making connection to any of the CNC server or a command and control server. So this is how you can get the details related to your Netstat utility. And if you want to keep the data in an increasing manner, like you need a logs or network logs from the Netstat for like 1 hour. So what you can do is, like, you need to put that BNO thing, and then if I put a 20 here, so what it is gonna do, it is gonna refresh in every 20 seconds. Like, if so, let's see if it will refresh again in a 20 seconds with a network connection, with a new connection, or we can say, like, if I open it some other website also, so we'll have some more idea. And like you're doing, it is gonna be refreshed. Yeah, it is refreshed right now, just right now. So you can check these details also. So this is how it works. So if you put like 20, I have put, and let me interrupt it using Control C, and if I put like 10 only, so it will be refreshing in every 10 seconds. So what you can do is, if you want a log for 1 hour or for more, or for like you have to monitor something for like 5 minutes, and it refreshing for every 2 minutes, every 10 seconds or every 20 seconds, what you need to put is like, this is your command and the time frame in a seconds that you are putting. Like I am putting it 10 only, and then again you have to put, if you want to save the continuous network connections in a txt format, so you can put that all, and the txt name over here, and then that txt extension. So that this is how it gonna be getting those details updated. Like this txt would be updated, this command would be running unless you don't interrupt or you don't close the cmd.